Hi everybody. Today in this episode of Shopperty Select, we are going to talk about a project which is undervalued by price but not by potential. The quiet opportunity which speaks for loud returns. Now in Gurgaon, after Golf Course Road, Golf Course Extension Road is one of the most matured markets. By matured markets I mean area, a micro market where the prices of resale, ready to move in resale properties are established. So let us have a look at what it is. So if you see, this is our Golf Course Extension Road. This is Sona Road, right? Now some of the leading projects which are ready to move in, and so some of the best priced ready to move in projects on Golf Course Extension Road are: first, in Sector 65, here we have Golf Estate, which is priced at around and resales at around 27,000 to 29,000 rupees. Also here we have Trump Towers, which sells at around 35,000 to 40,000 rupees. Now if we move further, here in Sector 62, we have another good project which is Pioneer Araya in Sector 62. It sells at around 35,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. We have one more project by the name of Imar DG Homes in Sector 62, trades at around 24,000 to 26,000 rupees. Then in Sector 59, we have Conscient Elevate, again priced at around 25,000 to 26,000 rupees. And then of course I forgot one, Central Park Resorts on Sona Road near Subhash Chowk, which is approximately 35,000 to 40,000 rupees. So you see in this vicinity on Sona Road and on Golf Course Extension Road, all ready to move in projects are priced upwards of 25,000 rupees, right? Some of the major developers have some big launches planned for this particular micro market. First and foremost is Oberoi Realities here, which is expected to be launched at around 40,000 rupees plus. Then DLF is also coming up with a luxury project in Sector 62, expecting again 40,000 plus. Then in Sector 58, M3M would be coming with branded luxury residences priced above 40,000 rupees. Of course, you all know Sobha is coming up with its new launch in Sector 63A, all-inclusive price around 28,000 rupees. Now, I have explained you the entire micro market. Now comes what is the most undervalued potential but luxury project in this micro market where I invest today, and I am sure that I'll get handsome returns. Now this particular project is located in Sector 66. This is Edition by Smart World. Why is this undervalued? It's a phenomenal project with all modern amenities, amazing club, deck with jacuzzi, all modern amenities that you can dream of. But the price of this project currently is most suited for investors. It is priced at around 21,000 rupees per square feet. Now the best part is the payment plan is amazing. In this new Big Billion Sale, you can enter with a payment plan of 20/80. You pay 20% currently, 20% after say 15 months, and then rest at the time of possession. And believe you me, the way this particular micro market is going to grow in next 5 years, this property will be trading at bare minimum 30,000 plus for sure. So you can definitely see the kind of returns and a profit of approximately 10,000 rupees which is to be made under this investment. Now, why Edition is one of the best investment options currently available in this micro market? You pay 20%. So what you have paid today is approximately 4,200 rupees. After 15 months, you further pay 4,200 rupees, that is 20%. So in all, you have paid approximately 8,400 rupees. Now, this project will get delivered in next 3.5 years. At the time of possession, definitely this property will be commanding a resale price of approximately 30,000 rupees. Now, you entered at 21,000, you exit at 30,000 rupees. So there is a profit of approximately 9,000 which you make. You have made a payment of 8,400. So on investing 8,400, you make a profit of 9,000 rupees. Your ROI is approximately 100% in a span of 3 to 4 years. So your CAGR on this particular property will be upwards of 22%. In Shopperty Select, we bring to you the best value for money bargains existing in real estate market in Gurgaon. For more details on this particular property or anything else, please get in touch with the numbers mentioned below. Thanks.